you know we run road. You know we run road. You know we say I'm a girl that I don't know.
I J.O.B. around the street when you don't know.
Presidential roll like Obama.
Did you done the general, me a the governor.
And we full of tall room like Osama.
We make a step on your ass left, no corner.
The diploma for the streets and no chat when you see me out. How do the Mickey Mouse?
Welcome back from the break. Remember, I'm your host, Cruddy. Follow us on Twitter at This Show. Now it's time for our lifestyle feature of the week, and we head to Portmore in Caribbean Estate. For this one, it's a brand new place called Head Over Heels. What is Head Over Heels? If you're wondering, check out this feature. It's our lifestyle feature of the week. Check it out.
We must up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. How we ablaze the fire, make it fun. Then we must up the place, turn up the bass and make some fun. Boy, run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun. Then we must up the place, turn up the bass and make some fun. Boy, run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
Well, Head Over Heels is Jamaica's first Clafon tea. It is the collapsed version of a salon, a cafe, and a boutique. It's not the first time that you'd have seen a salon and a boutique together. However, it's the first time that's interwoven the way we have done it. At Head Over Heels, what we've done is we ensure that all our clients, right, they'll receive first class, unparalleled service. Whenever they come to us, right, all their fashion needs are met. Right? So if you're going somewhere, come to Head Over Heels and we will dress you, right? Just tell us where you're going and we'll do the rest. We have an entertainment cafe, so whenever our clients come here, it's what the name says, a Head Over Heels experience. So from you walk through the door till you leave, is this Head Over Heels experience, a wow factor. Our niche market is really, like I said, for executives and stuff who fast paced and they need this one location that they can do everything.
You know we run road. You know we run road. You know we say I'm a girl that I don't know.
I J.O.B. around the street when you don't know.
Presidential roll like Obama.
It's now time for that very important feature each week inside This. It's time for the responsible drinking tip of the week. Remember, if you party, if you're a human being, you need to check out this responsible drinking tip of the week, powered by Rum Bar Rum.
Now, Cruddy, since you're at the Inter-College Championships at the University of the West Indies, it is appropriate for us to provide the athletes with some responsible drinking tips as it relates to alcohol consumption. Alcohol is not considered to be a performance-enhancing substance. It slows the body down and can have effects up to 1 day after consumption. Drinking alcohol the night before or after a game can affect your performance. Hangovers can result in symptoms of headache, nausea, diarrhea, fatigue, dehydration, and body aches that can diminish athletic performance. There is no benefit from alcohol use for sport performance. That was the responsible drinking tip of this week, brought to you by Rum Bar Rum. I am Terror 3000, and you can follow me on Twitter at TERRO3000. That's at Terror 3000. Terror!
All right, so it's all about the Inter-School Championship. I here with Julio Forrester from Knox College. Julio, what going?
But they are going easy out, you know.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, competing on the long jump.
All right, so how it going so far?
Well, it's good so far, but not my best.
Yeah.
Yeah, because me just jump 5.44, and that's not my best time.
All right, so what do you think holding here?
Holding back right now, I feel some grind pain, so maybe that's the problem.
All right, good luck, Julio. We're going for a third commercial break right here on This. Listen to me. Don't move a muscle. We'll get back soon.